Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. I'm here with the revision of the 11th lesson, that is air around us. So let's get started. First of all, what is air? Air is nothing but it's called as hawa in Urdu. Okay, we already know that we need air to breathe. We cannot live without air, children. Why? Because it's necessary to breathe. If there will be no air, then we cannot breathe and we will die. So this is the reason why air is very important for all of us. Now moving ahead, what is air? Why is it necessary? How does air get dirty? What can we do to keep air clean? Let's revise all these things. So here we go. A windy day. Let's fly kites today, said Dad. He took Millie, Joy and Ruff to the park. They flew their favorite kite. It flew high up in the air. It was a windy day. The wind ruffled their hair. They had lots of fun. So look at the picture here. Joy and Millie's father took them to the park for flying the kite. So it was a windy day. On that day the wind was blowing. So because of that the kite flew high up in the air. And they had lot of fun flying the kite. And the wind ruffled their hair. Ruffled means what? Their hair got messed up because of the wind. Okay. Next, what is air? First of all, air is all around us. It is present everywhere, children. Wherever you see, there is air. Okay. Actually, we cannot see it, but you can feel it. We cannot see it or touch it. Yes, we cannot see the air, we cannot touch the air, but we can feel it, isn't it? But we can feel moving air. Moving air is called wind. So what is wind, children? Moving air is called as wind. So air is present everywhere and we cannot see it, we cannot touch it, but we can feel it. And when the air moves, then that will be called it as wind. When the wind blows gently, it is called a breeze. So what is breeze, children? When the wind blows gently, then that will be called it as breeze. जब हवा हल्की चलती ना ठंडी ठंडी, then that is called as a breeze. When a strong wind blows, it may cause a storm. Storm means what? तूफानी हवा. जब बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ हवा चलती ना, then that is called as a storm. Okay, children? So what is a wind? Moving air is called wind. Breeze means when the wind blows gently, it is called a breeze. And what is a storm? When a strong wind blows, it may cause a storm. Okay, children? Now, air may be dry as on a summer's day. It may also be wet as on a rainy day. It may be hot or cold. So, depending upon the seasons, the air will be different. Air will be dry in during the summer season, children. What is the summer season? It is a hottest season of the year. So during that season the air will be dry because of the hotness. And during the rainy season, when it rains, the air becomes wet because of the rain, right? And during the winter season, when it will be very cool, the air becomes very cool. Okay, children? Next, a blanket of air. What is a blanket of air? Our earth is covered by a blanket of air. This is called the atmosphere. We have learned that air is present everywhere. The complete earth is covered with the air. So it means that air is like a blanket. It is covering the whole earth, isn't it? This is the reason why we are calling it as the blanket of air. And blanket of air is called as atmosphere. Okay, children? Our earth is completely covered by air and it is covering the earth by like a blanket. Air is covering the whole earth like a blanket. So that is called as the atmosphere. The atmosphere is important for all living beings. It protects our earth and makes it neither very warm, not very cold, but just right. So atmosphere is very important for all the living beings. Why? Because we need air to breathe, isn't it? And it protects our earth and it makes us very comfortable. The atmosphere makes it neither very warm nor very cold. It will make just the right. Okay, so what is a blanket of air? Earth is covered by a blanket of air. This is called the atmosphere and it is important for all the living beings. So because of the air only, the earth will neither be very warm nor very cold. Okay children, it will be just mild, moderate. Next, say yes or no. The first question is, we can touch air. Can we touch air children? No. We can just feel it. So answer is no. We can see air. It is green in color. Is it so children? No. We cannot see the air, and air doesn't have any has any color. So answer is no. Next, we can feel air. Yes, we can just feel it. Feel करना means महसूस करना. Air is round in shape? No, air doesn't have any shape. Air is all around us? Yes, it is present everywhere. It is covering the whole earth like a blanket. That's called as the atmosphere. Yes. Now, why do we need air? हमें air की ज़रूरत क्यों है? Let's revise that. All plants, animals and human beings need air to breathe and live. Why air is important children? Why? Because all the plants, animals and we human beings need air to breathe. If we breathe the air, then only we can survive. If we cannot breathe, then we will die, isn't it? So that much important the air is. And even fish breathe the air that is present in water. Fish lives in water children, right? But they also need air to breathe, and the air will be present in water also. Do you know that air is present in water, and that air this fishes will breathe. Okay, plants need air to make food. And why plants need air? Why? Because they need air to make the food. Okay, air carries clouds, bringing rain to different places. Air moves the clouds children, okay, and it will bring the rain to the different places. If the wind blows, then the clouds will move from one place to other place, isn't it? So in this way they will bring the rain to different places by the grace of God. Playing and exercising in fresh air makes us healthy, and if you play and do exercise in the fresh air, then you will become healthy. Why? Because fresh air is very good for breathing, good for us, good for our health. Okay, opening doors and windows to let in fresh air makes our houses clean and germ free. So if you open the doors and windows of your house, then it will let in the fresh air. Okay, and if you let in the fresh air, then your house will be free of germs. Okay, well, I would like to end up my division till here. We'll catch up inshallah in the next video with the next part of this lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.